In this lecture, we will discuss the topic information hiding. What is information hiding in object-oriented programming? Information hiding is one of the most important principles of OOP inspired from real life, which says that all information should not be accessible to all persons. This is the information which is hidden from all the persons which we do not want to share with those persons. Private information should only be accessible to its owner. By information hiding, we mean showing only those details to the outside in perspective of object-oriented programming. Information hiding is hiding the object details, state and behavior from the users. Here users are the other objects. Here by users we mean an object of another class, that is calling functions of this class using the reference of this class object, or it may be some other program in which we are using this class. Advantages of information hiding: it simplifies our object-oriented model. It is a barrier against change propagation. We can achieve information hiding using encapsulation and abstraction. What is encapsulation? Encapsulation means we have enclosed all the characteristics of an object in the object itself. Encapsulation and information hiding are much related concepts. Information hiding is achieved using encapsulation. Hope you have understand the concept of information hiding and encapsulation. Now let's move on our next topic, interface. Interface is a set of functions of an object that he wants to expose to other objects. As we discussed previously, the data and behavior of each object is hidden in that object itself. So we have to use the concept of interface of the object to expose its behavior to outer world objects. Implementation. It is actual implementation of the behavior of the object in any object-oriented language. Examples of implementation: gearbox in car system. Consider object gearbox in car system. It has a certain structure and functionality. When this object will be implemented, it will have two things: physical structure of the gearbox and number two, functionality implemented in this structure to change gear. Both these things are part of implementation. So it has data structures in the form of mechanical structure of gearbox, number two, functionality mechanism to change gear. Separation of interface and implementation. As discussed earlier, we only show interface of an object to outside world and hide actual implementation from outside world. The benefit of using this approach is that our object interface to outside world becomes independent from inside implementation of that interface. This is achieved through the concept of encapsulation and information hiding. Our next topic is messages. Objects communicate through messages. They send messages stimuli by invoking appropriate operations on the target object. The number and kind of messages that can be sent to an object depends upon its interface. Examples examples of messages. A person sends messages stimulus stop to a car by applying brakes. A person sends messages place all to a phone by pressing appropriate button. So we have completed our second lecture. Now let's look on summary. I have created the summary of topics that we have covered in this lecture. We have covered information. Number one, information hiding is achieved through encapsulation. Number two, encapsulation and information hiding are related to each other. Number three, interface of an object provides us the list of available functions. Number four, an object may have more than one interface. Number five, interface and implementation are separated from each other to achieve information hiding. Number five, objects communicate with each other using messages. So, guys, we have discussed all these topics in this lecture. Now, I'm waiting from you to discuss these topics in details. Let's have a answer questions sessions and comments on these topics. I'm waiting for you. Thank you for your support. Please subscribe to my channel and share it to others and help me to grow my channel. Thank you very much.